This video will explain how to use the Home Plus Pro app to configure the Legrand Zigbee smart electrical system without any internet connection. Once you've wired the connected devices, set them up with the Home Plus Pro app. It's easy and doesn't require an internet connection. Download the Home Plus Pro app from the Apple or Google Store and install it on your smartphone. Open the app and log in with your installer account. Create a new one if you don't have one. Enter your email address and a password. On the next screen, by selecting the up arrow, you can check the availability of new firmwares. If new firmwares are available, they will be automatically downloaded. After checking the gateway status, select Start Installation and then Offline Installation to configure a new system. Select the gateway installed in the system from the list. If the system is powered, turn off the power for a few seconds. At the same time, all devices will have their own LED lit in red. Press the gateway button for a few seconds until the LED lights up green. Repress again for a few seconds and release when the green LED starts flashing. When prompted, enable the use of the camera and location services on your smartphone to connect to the access point generated by the gateway. Scan the QR code on the sides of the gateway with your smartphone. Select Connect to connect the gateway to your smartphone via Wi-Fi. At the same time, all devices will have their own LED lit in green. After a few seconds, the gateway will be connected to your smartphone. All devices are automatically grouped by category and displayed progressively in the list. The device search continues for a few minutes, even after all the devices have been found. If there are wireless switches in the system, select Add more products to install them, and then select the wireless switch from the list. Press the wireless switch until the green LED flashes, then release. Pair the wireless switch with the relevant connected wired device. Holding down the wireless switch button, bump the respective connected wired device 3 times. The app confirms the pairing between the two smart devices by showing the managed device, for example, light. The screen confirming that the wireless switch has been configured will then appear. Select Done to continue the configuration. While the device search is in progress, or after this operation is completed, you can create the rooms in the home by clicking on Start Placing Products by selecting them from the list. Assign each device to the respective rooms, pressing on the control button. The device will be shown in the respective room. Proceed in the same way, for example, to insert a connected socket. By tapping the socket 3 times, the app displays the addition of the socket in the room. Proceed in this way to insert any other devices. While you are assigning the devices to the room, you will be able to change their settings as needed and perform a functional test. All the configuration made on one device can be also pasted to other devices if you've multiple products of same type. Once all devices have been assigned in the room, press Confirm. All configured rooms are displayed in the app. Finish the setup by pressing I have finished. A summary of the rooms will be proposed with the number of their respective devices, also displayed by category. After setting up all the individual devices, you can save the system configuration in the gateway, which can be changed at any time with the app, starting the configuration process locally and accessing the gateway by scanning the relevant QR code. Your customer will be able to easily retrieve the system you configured and customize all the functions via the Home Plus Control app. Your customer simply needs to download the Home Plus Control app by scanning the QR code on the red tag positioned on the device or on the electrical cabinet door, and follow the instructions.